Model, 65-plate Renault Kangoo LL21 1.5dCi Crewvan Maxi 90 spares OR repairs trader margin simple repair starstruck. Body, white, ex-crew panel van. Mileage, 126404. MOT, 29 December 2024. Engine, 1461 cc K9K M8 E5. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Gearbox needs replacing, clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074